Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to change your profile picture if you can't do it. So first way, you just close your app Instagram and restart your device. You just turn off your device and enable it, then go to Instagram and try to change it. Second way, you should check your internet connection. You just go to any browser, for example on YouTube, and if any of video is working, this means your internet is enabled and it's okay. So next step, open up Instagram and log out from your account. So tap on profile, then tap on three lines at the top right corner, tap on settings, scroll down, in very bottom you will see logout, tap on it, then tap on logout and proceed to logout. Now log in again to your account and try to change your photo profile. So next step, go to your browser and you open up Chrome or Safari, it doesn't matter, go to instagram.com and try to change your profile from web browser. You just tap on profile at the bottom right corner, then tap edit profile, and then tap on change profile photo, then tap on upload photo and change it. So next step, go to your Instagram app, then try to change it. Just tap on edit profile, tap on change profile and remove current photo. So you remove this photo and then tap on done to save it. Go back to edit profile and try choose from the library and take a new photo. And last way, open up your App Store or Google Play Market and check updates. If Instagram have a new update, you just upload a new update to Instagram app. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.